Hello students, UPSC will release notification every year for 800 to 1100 jobs. To clear this examination, we are going to launch new batch for Prelims and Mains Foundation 2026, and this batch is going to be started from April 8th. And the special features of this course are we are going to cover your syllabus completely, that is comprehensive coverage of syllabus will be there, and classes will be taken by expert faculty, and we provide material for your GS and as well as current affairs. And on the day one itself, we are going to start answer writing practice, and on the weekends there will be revision test, and I will be available in the institute from morning to evening so that you can get personal mentorship from me. And also one important thing is we are going to provide this course on online and offline. And why are you late? So if you have any queries regarding this course, you can contact us on this number 8074765513, and admissions are going on. Thank you.